You can restore any of your deleted videos, if they were deleted within the last 30 days. Let's see how to do this. To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, select Settings and Privacy. Under Content and Display, go to Activity Center. Here you will find Recently Deleted. Tap on it. You will then see all the videos you have deleted recently. Tap the video you want to restore. There will be a Restore button at the bottom. Simply tap on it. From the confirmation window, tap Restore. That's it. The video has been restored. Go back to your profile and check. This is the video you have just restored. So in this way, you can restore your deleted videos on TikTok.